Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the area. What we learned in the previous class. Are you remember? Yes. We have learned about the perimeter. Is it? What is the definition of perimeter? A perimeter is a closed figure. It made by the line segment. It's made by the line segment. Okay. And then its boundary. The length of its boundary is called the perimeter. Okay, any kind of shapes, okay, any kind of figures, okay, not only this 2D shape, don't say that, okay, all the type of figures like this, like we have seen the examples, is it? And exercise problems also we have seen. Okay, so any figures, you have to calculate the length of the boundary, length of its boundary. It's called the perimeter. Okay, and also we have seen some 2D shapes perimeters. That's it. So perimeter of the square is 4a unit. Perimeter of the triangle a plus b plus c. Sum of all the sides units. Okay, and third one, the perimeter of the rectangle. The opposite sides are equal in length in rectangle. Okay, so that formula is twice the times of L plus B unit. I hope you are understood the previous concept. Now we are going to learn about the area of the plane figure. What is mean by area? The amount of surface. Okay, for example, we have considered this duster. Okay, the amount. Okay, this is one of the duster. Okay, we have considered this amount of surface enclosed by the figure. So it's occupy the space. Is it? So this is a area. So area of the duster. Okay, this is a boundary. The outer line is a boundary of the shape. Okay, the inside, the amount of the surface enclose the figure. This is called the area. புரிஞ்சிச்சாமா? ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து ஆக்குபை பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த சர்ஃபேஸ், this is one of the surface எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இதில் ஆக்குபை பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த place. Okay, that is called the area. So what is the definition of area? The amount of surface enclosed by the figure. This is called the area. It measured by square unit. Area measured by square unit. Perimeter measured by unit. Okay, right. Now see the next one of that. To find the area of the figure using the graph. Okay, கிராஃபில் ஃபிகர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. அதில் ஒவ்வொரு சென்டிமீட்டர், ஒவ்வொரு பாக்ஸும் ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்மால் ஸ்கொயர் பாக்ஸஸாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. கிராஃப் நோட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா யூ வில் see. Okay, each in square boxes. Okay, okay, so each square boxes is 1 centimeter. Okay, each one is 1 centimeter. Okay, this is another one of the unit is 1 centimeter. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, just like we have to count the distance of the figure. Okay, then we have calculate the area of the particular object. Okay, now see the figure. Okay, I hope you all see the one of the figure on the board. Okay, see the first one of the figure A, B, C, D, is it? It's represent which shape? It's represent the rectangle, is it? So the rectangle, which are the numbers? It's represent the numbers also. Okay, so how many square boxes are there? 8 square boxes. So how many units? 8 unit. Each has the 1 centimeter. Each has 1 centimeter. Okay. So totally how many square boxes are covered by the rectangular shape? 8. So area of the rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter. Area of the rectangle is equal to 8 centimeter. See. First one, area of the rectangle. A, B, C, D is equal to how many boxes are there? 8 boxes. Okay. Into area of the square. Is it? Now only tell. Okay. What is that? 1 centimeter. Okay. Is equal to 1 centimeter square. Why do you write centimeter square? So what is the formula for area of the square? Side into side. So we have multiply 3 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Okay. So 1 centimeter, 1 square box. Okay. So area of 1 square. How many boxes? 8. So 8 into area of 1 square is 1 centimeter square. Okay. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 8 centimeter square. That's it. So area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 8 centimeter square. And another one method. See the diagram. How many units in the side AD? 2 units, is it? So D length start panna 1 2. Okay. So how many units? 2. It's the breadth. Okay. So breadth of the rectangle is equal to 2 units. Okay. Is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. And length, how many boxes are there? 4 boxes, is it? Count from A to B. 1 2 3 4. Okay. So 4 centimeter. What is the formula for area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B square units. What is the formula for the area of the rectangle? L into B square units. So area of the rectangle is equal to L value is 2. 2 into breadth value is 4 centimeter square. So 8 centimeter square. This is a formula method. That one is using the graphical method. See the second one of the picture. So triangular shape is given, is it? The second one of the picture, the triangular shape. So it's named as PQR. Okay, PQR. How can you calculate? See, second one. So area of the triangle PQR. Okay. How can you calculate the area of this? So how many square boxes fully completed? Okay. So first to calculate the number of complete squares. Number of complete squares. Number of complete square. Okay, and next we have considered the number of squares having more than half. Okay, number of squares having more than half. Okay, plus half, number of halves, square, half square. See the picture, let's see the numbers. The first number is more than half. Okay, and the second, third, 6, 5, okay, and 4. These are all the more than the half. Number of the complete square, which are the numbers 2 and 3 only complete squares. Other numbers are more than half. Anybody is exactly half? Is no, is it? It's not. Okay, so which are the numbers in the fully complete? 2 numbers, 2 and 4. Okay, so number of completing squares is 2. Okay, and next one, number of squares, okay, having more than half. This one is having. Okay, shortly write having more than half. Which are the numbers? 1, 4, 6 and 5. How many numbers? 4 numbers. How many numbers? 4 numbers. Any number of half is not there. Okay, that's it. So you will omit that. Okay, totally 6 squares. How many squares? 6 squares. Okay, so 6 into 1 centimeter square is equal to 6 centimeter square. So area of that figure is equal to 6 centimeter square. Now using the formula, okay, area of triangle is equal to, what is the formula? Half into, okay, half into base into height. Half into base into height square units. Half base value, count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Base is 4. Okay, and height, how many of them? Counted that 1, 2, 3. So how many rows are there? 3 rows. Okay, so 3. The picture present in the first 3 row. Okay, so the height is 3. Okay, 3, which unit is given? Centimeter. So square. 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 centimeters square. This is a formula method. That's it. And see the next third one of the diagram. X, Y, Z, W. Which shape is given? The shape is square. Okay, so all the square boxes exactly filled. Okay, so the side is 3. The side of the figure is 3. Okay, so area of the third one of the figure, see the diagram. Okay, area of the square is equal to number of square boxes. How many number of full square boxes? 8 numbers, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So exactly, so 9 numbers. Okay, so square which is denoted by X, y is a w is equal to how many square boxes? 9. 9 into area of 1 square. Area of 1 square is equal to 1 centimeter square. So 9 centimeter square. Now using the formula, area of the square is equal to a square units. So what is the side here? Count it. The xy 1 2 3. Okay, and y is it also how many rows? 1 2 3 rows. Okay, so 3 the side into side, so 3 into 3 it can written as 3 power 2. Okay, square units. So 3 power 2 means multiply itself 3 twice a times. What we get? 9. So 9 centimeter square. So area of the square is equal to 9 centimeter square. Now see the fourth one of the diagram. A, B, C, D. So here one of the shape is given. Okay. So how many square boxes are there? 7 square boxes. Okay. How many of them? 7 square boxes. Okay. So how can you find out that? So area of the figure. Number of square boxes. Okay. So how many numbers? 7 into area of 1 square is equal to 7 into 1 centimeter square is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, here one different shape is given. Okay, so we have write directly using the graphical method only. Okay, you have calculate the counting the number of squares in the any type of objects. You will write the number of squares. Okay, and write the area of 1 square. We have multiplied, we get the area of the given figure. I hope you have understood this. Now we will do the example problems. Now see the example 5. Find the area of the square whose side is 12 centimeter. Are you remember the formulas? Already we have learned about the area of square. What is the formula? A square unit. Okay, side into side. And next one, area of rectangle is equal to L into B square units. Area of triangle, half into base into height square units. Okay, these are the formula for the area of the 2D shapes. Okay, see. Find the area of the square whose side is 12 centimeter. So example 5. What is given? Side value is given. Okay. So area of side of the square is equal to 12 centimeter. Side of the square is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, now find the area. So area of the square is equal to, what is the formula? Side into side. So A square units. So what is the A value here? You have considered A. Okay, 12 square. So what is meant by 12 square? 12 multiplicated itself. 12 12s are 144. Okay, so 144 centimeters square. So area of the square is equal to 144 centimeters square. See the example 6. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 11.5 centimeter and breadth is 4.5 centimeter. Find the area. So what is the formula for area of the rectangle? Ln to be square unit. Example 6. Given length L is equal to 11.5 centimeter and breadth B is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so area of a rectangle, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B square unit. So L value was 11.5 centimeter into breadth is 4.5 centimeter. Now multiply these two values. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 7, okay, 5 26 4 7 11. So 2 decimal point, so 51.75 centimeter square. So area of the rectangle is equal to 51.75 centimeter square. See this next one of the example 7. The side of the square plot of a land is 45 centimeter. Okay, the square side கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 45 meter. Find the cost of leveling the plot. The rate is rupees 3 rupees 5 pies per square meter. So cost of leveling means அந்த சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா வந்து லெவல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இவ்வளோ ஒரு மீட்டருக்கு ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் மீட்டருக்கு 3 rupees 50 paise செலவாகுது அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ ரூபா செலவு பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே மாமா, ஃபைண்ட் தி காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் லெவலிங் தி பிளாட். அந்த பிளாட்டை லெவலிங் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ செலவாயிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறத கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சரியா? ஸோ the given data is the side of the square. Okay, example 7. Given side of square is equal to 45 meter. So cost of leveling, which place we have to inside of that plot. Okay, so area we have to find out. Area of the square is equal to A square units. Okay, so you have write 45 square meters square. So 45 are 2025 meter square. Okay, this is the square value. Okay, you want to the calculation, you will write the rough work area. Okay, right. And next we have calculate the cost of leveling. So the rate is rupees 3 rupees 50 paise. Okay, so leveling cost of 1 meter is given, is it? 1 meter square is equal to rupees 3 rupees 50 paise. 5 pi. Okay, 0.5 means 50 paise. Okay, now we have got leveling cost of how many meters? 2025. 2025 meter square is equal to, have multiply 3.5 into 2025 meter square. Multiply this value, we get rupees 7087.50, 50 paise. Thus the cost of leveling 2025 meter square is equal to rupees 7087 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Now see the next one of the example 8. Find the area of the given figure. So here one of the figure is given. Okay, it has two rectangle. Okay, here I have draw the dotted line. Okay, for finding the area of this one. Okay, so here the triangle ABCDGEF, 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter not for this only, the whole part. Okay, I'll write like this. Okay, 10 centimeter and the base is 7 centimeter. Here 3 centimeter. You know that opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Okay, so here 7 centimeter. The length of GC is also 7 centimeter. Here the breadth BC is 3 centimeter. Here also 3 centimeter. So what is the whole part? 10 centimeter is there. Okay, so subtract 10 centimeter minus 3 centimeter. The G2F is 7 centimeter. Okay, and here this one is 3 centimeter. Here also opposite sides are equal. Now calculate the area of the rectangle A1 and A2. Okay. Area of rectangle respectively. Okay, let A1 and A2 be the area of the rectangle respectively. First we have considered the area of the rectangle A1 is equal to, measure this area. Okay, the first one G D E F G. Okay, A1 means the rectangular shape DEFG is equal to, what is the formula area of the rectangle? L into B square units. So what is the length here? 7. Okay, 7 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. So 21 centimeter square. And next to find the area of the rectangle A2 is named as ABCG. ABCG is equal to L into B square units. Here the length is 7 centimeter into breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay, so total 21 centimeter square. Now we have find out the area of the complete figure. Area of the complete figure is equal to A1 plus A2. ஓகே ரெண்டு ஏரியாவை என்ன செஞ்சிடணுமா ஆட் பண்ணிடணும் 781 ப்ராப்ளம் ஓகே what is the A1 value 21 centimeter square and A2 value is also 21 centimeter square. Sum of these two values 42 centimeter square. So area of the complete figure is equal to 42 centimeter square. See the example 9. How many tiles? Okay, how many tiles each measuring 3 meter by 1.5 meter? Measuring 3 meter by 1.5 meter are required to cover the rectangular hall 18 meter long and 5 meter broad. So tiles irukka, tiles oda measurement கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 3 meter length, breadth வந்து 1.5. அப்போ which shape of the tiles? Rectangular shape. Okay, so L into B. So we have first we have calculate the area of the tiles. After we have calculate the rectangular hall. Okay, find the area of the rectangular hall. Okay, and finally we have find the cost of the tiles at rupees 38 per tiles. ஒரு tiles rupees 38 na இந்த rectangular hall க்கு பேஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த டைல்ஸ் உடைய எத்தனை டைல்ஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணிருப்பாங்கன்னு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். After we have calculate the cost. Okay, so first we have calculate the number of tiles required to based on the rectangular hall. Okay, let's see example 9 solution. Okay, first find the area of the tiles. After find the area of the rectangular hall. Okay, after find the number of tiles to paste on the rectangular hall we have to find out. Finally we have find the cost of the tiles. Okay, right. So length of a tile is equal to 3 meter and breadth tile is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, 1.5 meter. And next one, area of each tile is equal to 3 into 1.5 is equal to 4.5 meter square. You know that is it. Length into breadth. Okay, and next one, area of the hall. Okay, so area of the rectangular hall is equal to length into breadth square unit. So how many meter is given? Length is 18 meter, breadth is 5 meter. Okay, so 18 5s are 90 meter square. So hence the number of tiles required. So what we do? எதில் பேஸ்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம்? வாலில். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஹாலில் பேஸ்ட் பண்ணும் போது அந்த வேல்யூவை ஹால், அதாவது ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ஹால் டிவைடட் பை ஏரியா ஆஃப் த டைல். ஓகே, ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி rectangular hall divided by area of the tiles. So area of the rectangular hall is 90 meters square divided by area of the tiles. Area of the tiles is 4.5 meter square. Okay, so it will be cancelled. What we get? 45 2s are Okay, so 20. So how many tiles? 20 tiles. How many tiles? Thus, number of tiles. Okay, number of tiles to be required is equal to 20. Number of tiles to be required is equal to 20. Now we have calculated for cost of tiles. Cost of tiles is equal to 20 into how many rupees is given? 38 rupees is given. Now multiply 38 multiple of 2, 76. Added 0. So how many rupees here? The cost of tiles is equal to 760. Okay, we have by 20 tiles. The cost of 20 tiles is equal to rupees 760. Okay, now see the exercise problems. Exercise 16.2. Find the area of the following figure in terms of unit squares. So you will try to complete this. Already we have seen one example related to this one. Okay, that is a homework. Find the cost of leveling the garden with the length is 42 meter and breadth is 35 meter. At the rate is 40 per meter square. Okay. So first we have to calculate cost of leveling. So we have find out the area of the rectangle. Here not specified the shapes, but length and breadth, which shape is having rectangle. We have analyze and write. Okay, do the second problem. Exercise 16.2. Okay. The second problem. Given length is equal to 42 meter, breadth is equal to 35 meter. Okay, so area of rectangle is equal to L into B square units. Okay, so L value is 42, breadth is 35 meter square. Now multiply 42 into 35, 5 2s are 10, 20, 21, 6, 12, 7, 4, 1. Okay, so 1470 meters square. What we have find out here? Here find out the at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So rate of per meter is equal to meter square. Meter square is equal to rupees 40. So rate of 1470 meter square is equal to rupees 40 into 1470. Now multiply by 4. 0, 0, 8, 2, 16, 18, 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, already here 1 zeros are added here. Okay, so rupees 58,800. Okay, that's it. So the cost of a rate of 1470 meters square is equal to 58,800. Okay, see the next third one of the problem. The area of the rectangle is 180 meters square if its length is 18 meter. Find its breadth and perimeter. The same model already we have did in the example. Okay, and fourth one also the same one. Okay, and see the fifth one. A rectangle is 36 meter long and 25 meter broad. Find the side of the square whose area is equal to the area of the rectangle. Okay, so whose area? So the one of the method we have learned, using the same perimeter we can make different shapes. So apply that one in this place. Okay, see the fifth one. Given the length is given, length of the rectangle. Okay, L is equal to 36 meter. Okay, so breadth is equal to 25 meter. B. Okay, find the side of the square whose area is equal to. So find the side of the square we have to find out. Okay, so before of this we have find out the area of the rectangle. What is the formula for area of the rectangle? L into B square units. So here L value was 36, B value was 25. So meter square. Now multiply 36 into 25. Okay. So 5, 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15, 18, 12, 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. So area of the rectangle. So here one condition is given. The area of the rectangle is equal to the area of the square. Okay, so area of the rectangle formula we have find out the value 900 meter square is equal to area of the square formula A square units. Okay, so we have to take the square roots. Okay ma, so square root of 900 is equal to A. You have learned briefly in the next year. Square root move to that side, square root. Okay, square root move to square, move to that side, square root. You know that transpose method, is it? Any symbol move to another one of the place, it's change. Like that, square move to square root that side. Okay, so square root. So square root means 900 can be written in the form of 30 into 30. Okay, so it can written as 30 square. Okay, so the square root meaning the power of 1 2. Square root value is the power of 1 by 2. Okay, so 30 square, I have write the square root is 1 by 2. For your understanding, I have briefly write it here. Okay, so A. So A is equal to 30 meter. 30 meter. So thus side of the square is equal to 30 meter. That's it. Okay, remaining problems are homework. Okay Amma? So homework, exercise 16.2 1 3 4 6 7 8. Okay, and then worksheet 2 fully. Okay, so this unit is completed. Okay, this unit is completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt, okay, in an online class. Okay, ma? Okay, in this chapter we have learned about the perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. What is the definition of perimeter? Any shape. Okay, we have considered the any kind of shape. Okay, it's a closed figure. Okay, it's a closed figure. The total length of the boundary of the given figure. Total length of the boundary of its figure is called the perimeter. And next we have learned the area. Area means the amount of figure occupies the surface. Okay, the figure or any shape, okay, occupy the surface of the plane. Okay, the amount of surface of the figure is called the area. Enclose the area. Okay, enclose that figure is called the area. And next one, now you have learned the formulas for the perimeter of the square, rectangle, triangle, and also area of the square, rectangle, and triangle. These are all we have learned. I hope you all understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Thank you, students.